Alright, quick update on Bitcoin. So we've finally broken this 41.5 level that we've had our eyes on for a while now. We've had our eyes on specifically 41.5 in the short term since round about here, but specifically we've been looking at this descending red trend line for ages now, and we've never had a daily close above this trend line, and we could be getting ready to see our first daily close. Do bear in mind we have had wicks above this before, but I do think this is finally going to be the breakout. As long as we close the daily around 41.5, preferably just above 41.5, then in my opinion we would have solidly broken out of this trend line. We would have broken above this previous high, and we would be looking extremely bullish. Now we already look great. We've got this kind of W pattern that we're currently sitting on the neckline of. This would have a very nice price target. If we take it from the neckline to the wick down here, you can see this would finally put us above the 46,000 that we've had our eyes on for literally ages now. I've been talking about 46 since all the way back down here when we got rejected underneath it the first time. When we came here the second time, I was saying don't get out of bed. I was saying it here and here, don't get out of bed until we do start breaking above this level. Every time we came close to it, we had a rejection and fell off the table. So macro term, I'm still looking for a break above 46. In the short term, I am buying Bitcoin on spot because I do think this is the breakout. I think we're near the bottom if this isn't the bottom. And if you watched my video yesterday, specifically on the bullish case for Bitcoin, you know that I've been talking about how this could potentially be the dollar top. If we zoom out, you can see a very nice potential triple top formation coming in for the dollar, which would definitely make Bitcoin enter a bull run. If we started coming down, if we started breaking these levels, then the dollar would be done for, at least in the short term, for the next couple of years probably, and we could see Bitcoin go on a massive parabolic run. Obviously, if the dollar decides to start breaking above these levels, then I would be calling for a Bitcoin bear market. But while we are so far double topped on this greater triple top structure, then I would not be bothered. I think we're aiming out on the dollar. The dollar is starting to look a little bit weaker, and Bitcoin is starting to explode. All of the altcoins that I cover really are starting to explode as well. Total crypto market cap is heading back to the 618 level. We're just pushing our heads against it now. Bitcoin shorts are falling off the table, so this is very bullish. And also, yeah, like I said, Bitcoin's looking great. Volume supported breakout. RSI and MFI are turning up with lots of room to move to the upside, especially on the weekly. I mean, they have been beaten down for ages, so I think once we finally have a weekly close above 41.5, we could see very, very quick spikes up to round about the 54s and 55,000 region. So that is all I see for Bitcoin. All in all, extremely bullish, very nice, and I am accumulating this right now. Not financial advice, just personally what I'm doing in the market. But yeah, we've got a W pattern, we've broken out of this resistance. As long as we hold 41.5 during the candle body close that we're going to see tonight, then I think we are going to see mass continuation, and I think a lot of the altcoins are going to go on rallies, probably meaning that the Bitcoin dominance would have topped out in this region and we would be heading down. But this would be extremely good for Bitcoin just in general, allowing Bitcoin lots of room to move up, and the altcoin space going euphoric would be very good for the total crypto market cap, breaking us above the 1.84 trillion. So yeah, that's all I see. My macro target's still up here at 46. Until we do break 46, I am still sitting on the sidelines in terms of longing, meaning I wouldn't be leverage trading until we broke 46. Once we broke 46, I'll be leverage trading. But right now I am buying a large amount of Bitcoin on spot, especially after we close the today's candle. If we close it above 41.5, I'll be buying a lot more as well. So that is all I see for Bitcoin. If you are holding it, best of luck. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my own opinion on the market, and you've always got to do what's best for you. Peace.